Hello friends, today in this video we will explain rollback. Rollback in SQLs were really important. Why it's important? Interview point of view or in real time example. If you work any project, so that times rollback is really important. If you are fresh or expert doesn't matter. Matter is that suppose that you have performed some delete operation in your query. If you require, you need the delete operation or any other operation you want to revert back in SQL Server. So how to revert back your changes after perform any operation in SQL. So let's start. So here I have written one query. So before start the query, so I will explain one table. So we have one table. In this table have table name, car table name. Inside the car table have five cars like Mercedes and BMW, Ferrari, like that. So I have inserted five record. So for example, my project requirement what like I have written one store procedure. So in this store procedure, suppose that salesman sell the particular car. So I have written the one query delete query, delete from car and where car ID 201301. So this value right now is hard coded, but depend on the project that time will add the dynamically, not an issue. But right now for explanation purpose, I put here only hard code. So I have written query delete one, delete from car from this car ID. After that, I set the result, select this car 201301, it deleted or not. If deleted successfully, so then in case a record is not find out in this table, so in result set comes 0, correct. And second third one I have written here, this only testing purpose, don't think like that. So rollback always work with transaction. So I have defined the transaction t1, begin transaction t1. Whenever you return the store procedure, then you have to need the write down the transaction and define the name of the transaction like t1 t2 whatever you feel like good, it's okay. And second thing like in transaction we have two option, rollback transaction and commit the transaction. What the meaning of the rollback and commit the transaction? Suppose that we have start the transaction t1 and we have performed the some operation, like we have performed the delete operation, then we have checked the data successfully deleted or not. If data is deleted, then in case result value comes as a 0. If data not deleted, then comes value as a greater than 0. I have one condition put here, if or else in SQL Server. So suppose that result greater than is 0. So like means result greater than 0 means like data is not deleted, or result equal to 0, that means data is deleted. So data deleted successfully, so means no need to roll back. And we have means we have worked successfully, data deleted. So in this, in case we have to commit the transaction t1. But here for practical purpose, understanding purpose, we are doing the reverse. Like data is deleted successfully, so comes result 0. So in case we are rollback for testing purpose only, checking purpose, like rollback is working or not. Suppose that uncomment this line. Okay. So what happen when I execute this query? So first declare the result into 0, begin the transaction T1, and I am performing the delete operation here. So what happen when I execute this query? So first data deleted from this table, and then check, we are checking like data deleted or not. Then we are checking this query after select query. So if data is deleted successfully, so data showing like that blank means data deleted from this table. So we are sure like make sure like data deleted successfully. After that we perform here two operation like if or else. Like we have transaction T1. So based on the transaction T1, we are committed data or commit the data, or we are rollbacking depend on the our condition. So then we are checking the again using the select query, data is rollback or not. Understood? And now execute this query. What happened in this query? If you check here, car id car name data is not showing here. Why? Actually data deleted by delete query. And then execute this query. Then when execute this query, data is showing blank, null, means data is not present in this table. Why? Data is deleted. After data deleted, we have written two lines of code like check the data is deleted or not. Data is deleted successfully in case we are doing the rollback transaction T1. We have performed the rollback transaction T1, execute. After execute the rollback transaction T1 and then execute the select query, data it's available in this table again means this is the functionality of the rollback in SQL Server, really important part of the SQL rollback. So how rollback its work? Rollback always work with the transaction. If you perform the some operation in SQL Server, and that times you feel like wrong happen something, what wrong something wrong happen with SQL query. That times we need the rollback. Suppose that you, like real time example I'm taking here. Suppose that you are doing some transaction. Suppose that you have opened the Google Pay and you are doing the transaction to your friends, and Google Pay ask your account number where you want to send the amount to, and Google Pay inside the SQL store procedure return some query. That query uh, fetch the data from your bank and send the amount your friend bank. So in between, suppose that have one stop procedure and one stop procedure, somewhere is something wrong happen in stop procedure. Suppose that 100 tables written the Google Pay stop procedure, and then something wrong happen. So after sometimes automatically rollback with help of the rollback. Rollback always work with the transaction. I hope you understand what I'm trying to saying here. I hope you clear the rollback concept, how it works. Thank you so much watching this video. If you like this video is useful for you, please subscribe and share this video. If you want to learn Angular, MVC, whatever, so please ping me and I will ready to help you in also in project. Thank you so much.